My heart is like a little bird, longing for a place called home. A quiet place where I find rest, safety, nest where I belong. My heart is like a little bird, longing for a place called home. A loving place where I'm embraced, where I sing my song of songs. So I fly and fly, I fly above the clouds. Where are you, my dwelling place? Let me rest my head in safety, nest called home. My home. My heart is like a little bird. The world is more than I can see. I flied so far I've lost my ways. Help me find my way to home. My heart is like a little bird. I've traveled far across the storm. My feathers falling off my wings. Little bird has lost its strength. So I cry and cry, I cry above the clouds. Come find me, my dwelling place. Let me rest my head in safety, nest called home. My home. So I cry and cry, I cry above the clouds. Come find me, my dwelling place. Let me rest my head in safety, nest called home. My home. Then on the clouds I hear his voice, my Maker singing over me. He crossed the heavens to find me. He's the home I'm looking for. He calls me precious little bird. He holds me closely to his heart. A warmth I've never felt before. There I sing my song of songs. There I sing my song of songs. There I sing my song of songs. So I sing and sing, I sing above the clouds. I'll search no more, forever I will sing. You are my Maker, you are my home. So I'll sing and sing, I'll sing above the clouds. I'll search no more, forever I will sing. You are my Maker, you are my home. My heart is like a little bird. I found a place where I belong. Forever loved, forever safe. There's my maker, he's my home.